Okay, take two, guys. I got the name of the place wrong. I did turn it on. Yeah, have a look at Mariana. Yes, got it right. Now they're back open. New sign as well. Looking good now. Back open 24 hours a day. Yeah. Or they've had it clean, one of the two. Not many in the Piccadilly today. Silver dollar. Not got too many in, they haven't got the sun on yet, that's why. Later on when it gets the sun on, I'm sure that'll have to be full. There are plenty of people about at the moment. Sorry about the wind, guys. Yeah, the wind seems to come up the last couple of days. Flashback open now, isn't it, Marcus?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. We're going to have a look at that. You see there's quite a few people about today. It's been a busy week this week. The weekend and obviously start of the week now. So Pelicanos there, that's been open through all the way through. I've had mixed reports about that one, mostly good though. I think most of the hotels are good. I think what some of the guys are moaning about is maybe the food's not totally English the way they'd be cooked. Been out to Benidorm, you probably understand what I mean. Right, Marcus, what do you know about this place? Underneath here?
Oh, no, not full.
Apparently, that was a different company that had the bar underneath. What was it called? Can't remember.
The Voice.
The Voice, yeah.
And
they're no longer there. So, I know they'll be taking over that building. So that's just under the flash there. Nice to see them back open. Many people about. We'll have to talk a bit when we're going past here now. Always got music on the flash. It's not too late today though. We should get away with that. There we go. Yeah. Next one, the Calypso. Is that back open yet, Marcus? Do you know or no?
I think it's going to open sometime in March.
Right, it'll be sometime in March for that one, Marcus reckons. Keep our eyes open for that. That looks a nice hotel. It is a bit warmer in Benidorm today. Got 24 degrees. Did rain overnight though.
Did it?
It did.
Oh.
It's soaking wet this morning when I got up. Back of the Ambassador there. Yeah, I think that's opening next month. I'm sure people have told me they're going in there next month. I don't know if they're just going to open the one side first, the Ambassador one, and then open the other Ambassador 2 later on. Okay guys, you can see Uncle Fred's has got a few in. They've got the sun in the morning. Well, it's dinner time now, but yeah. It's a bit warmer, as I say, today in Benidorm. 24 degrees. Well, we're going to leave you with pets and we'll see you on the next one. Looks like we're going over for a pint, yeah. We're having a smashing time over there. Don't forget to like and subscribe guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.